Hello friends, in this video we will know how to set up your Elara smart lock. Firstly, you have to add 4 AA batteries inside the back panel of your lock. Once you insert the batteries, then you have to tap on the front panel and press star and hash. Now you have to add an admin pin code which has to be 6 or 8 digit. For example, we are setting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to press hash. We have to enter this password again.
0, 0, 1, successfully. 1, add user. 2,
Now our admin pin has been registered.
4, add admin.
Now we can try to unlock it with the pin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, the pin is working.
1, unlocked.
Now we will know how we can register our fingerprint and RFID cards. Again we have to press star and hash.
Please verify admin.
Now we have to enter the admin pin code.
1, add user. 2, delete user. 3, lock setting. 4, add admin.
We have to press 1 for adding new user.
Add user.
Now we have to tap the fingerprint scanner.
Enter again. 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 0.
Our fingerprint scan has been registered.
Successfully. Add user.
Now we can just tap the card.
0, 1, 1.
Card has also been registered.
Add user.
Now we will check a fingerprint and card how it's working. As you can see, the fingerprint is working normally.
0, unlocked. Locked.
Now we will try to unlock it with card. Just tap the card here.
0, 1.
Card is also working fine.
Unlocked. Locked.
Thank you guys for watching the video.